The lock screen is the first thing you see when you wake your computer, so make it yours. In this video, we will explain customizing the Windows lock screen, open settings and go to personalization, then lock screen. Here you control how it looks and what it shows. For the background, you can choose a single favorite picture, a slideshow of your photos, or Windows Spotlight, which displays beautiful new images from around the world each day. Below that, you can decide which app shows detailed status on the lock screen, like your calendar or weather, and which apps show quick status icons. This lets you glance at useful information without even signing in. You can also choose whether to show your lock screen background on the sign and screen for a consistent look. If you prefer a cleaner experience, you can disable tips, tricks, and ads that sometimes appear. Adjusting these settings makes your lock screen both beautiful and useful. Whether you want stunning daily photos or a glance at your schedule, a personalized lock screen adds a welcoming touch every time you return to your computer.